Increasingly recognised across a wide range of public policy areas, accreditation is a proven tool that supports the delivery of improved regulatory frameworks, good governance, fair markets, effective procurement, and, perhaps most crucially of all, public confidence. In this video, we'll look at a number of activities covered by accreditation, such as testing, inspection, and certification, which are all being used by government departments across the world. But first, what are the drivers behind accreditation? Accreditation helps governments to improve economic conditions for the business community by encouraging the use of accredited services that improve confidence and efficiency, for example. Accreditation also helps governments to improve their own performance by using accreditation for the services provided within their own departments too. Thirdly, it also assists regulatory bodies with the business of regulation via the acceptance of externally recognised data, results and services. Accreditation can be applied in a number of ways, but at its heart, it determines the technical competence, integrity and independence of organisations. It provides oversight in areas such as testing, certification, inspection and calibration. Therefore, accreditation can be seen as checking the checkers, ensuring that standards are being met in a consistent way. PublicSectorAssurance.org showcases the benefits of using recognised accredited testing, inspection and certification systems in areas as diverse as healthcare, food production, construction, energy supply, climate change, personal safety and many more. There are no less than 113 countries which have accreditation bodies globally. PublicSectorAssurance.org features case studies from many of them, whether in the support of domestic public sector bodies, pan-regional groups, or even global organisations such as the World Trade Organization. You can find details of the accreditation bodies concerned. The case studies on the website provide valuable insights which can be seen in a number of ways. To begin with, a case study may help a government department to realise how an accreditation body might offer a business-friendly alternative to regulation. Alternatively, it could make clear how existing regulation could be better implemented through a process of simplification. Through their open and independent approaches, the accreditation case studies also demonstrate the necessary legitimacy, not to mention market acceptance, which these sorts of tools must have in terms of successful policy delivery. Cost considerations also need to be taken into account, especially where accreditation has been proven to reduce public costs by supporting policy delivery via the private sector. Additionally, accreditation can support risk-based regulation because the processes involved often provide feedback, which subsequently allows the government to target its interventions in the areas of greatest need. Another advantage of adopting an accreditation system is that public sector officials are more able to make an informed supplier choice, often simplifying the procurement process whilst maintaining confidence in delivery. Furthermore, accreditation of public sector organisations can improve their own performance because of the resulting efficiencies with things like resource allocation, lack of duplication, smarter enforcement measures and risk management. To sum up, the core objective of the Standards and Conformity Assessment community is to support the needs of government, regulatory bodies and the public sector as a whole. By looking into the many instances where the public sector has embraced conformity assessment to meet public policy objectives around the world, the information at PublicSectorAssurance.org can be invaluable. Not only does the website provide a means of developing and strengthening relationships with the public sector at all levels, but it showcases extensive, relevant, independent research. Please feel free to use the website to gain insights into accreditation regimes the world over, which are often working in key policy areas to help government officials and regulators deliver the best results.